Matterport or Getfloorplan? Which tool is better for real estate listings in 2026? Real estate agents and developers have different goals, showcasing existing properties or creating visualizations from floor plans. Matterport is widely used for capturing existing spaces and creating immersive 3D tours. GetFloorPlan AI helps real estate professionals convert 2D floor plans into 3D floor plans, realistic renders, and 360 degrees virtual tours without visiting the property, and get the finished result in a short time. You can see the difference between Matterport and Getfloorplan in the table below based on key performance metrics. Getfloorplan's 3D visualizations help real estate agents, developers, listing platforms, and new development marketing teams present properties in a realistic, attractive, and sales-driven way. Go to getfloorplan.com and upload your 2D floor plan to receive a professional 3D visualization with Getfloorplan AI.